Welcome to Smart Finance with Yemi Osini. Here's a silent wealth killer: scattered direction. Many people save, invest, hustle. Yet wealth never compounds. Why? Because money moves, but without direction. Today, I introduce a brand new framework. Fire the Wealth Direction Lock. This explains why locking direction before action accelerates wealth. Medium White Star Section 1. What is wealth direction? Wealth direction is a single financial destination, a clear asset focus, a defined wealth path. Money without direction circulates. Money with direction compounds. Medium White Star Section 2. WHY. Most people never lock direction. Most people crossmark chase multiple strategies, crossmark follow trends, crossmark panic switch plans, crossmark lack patience, crossmark confuse motion with progress, scattered focus dilutes wealth. Medium White Star Section 3. The Wealth Direction Lock explained. Fire the Wealth Direction Lock has 3 locks. Closed lock with key. Lock 1. Destination lock, net worth, targets, time horizon, lifestyle vision. If the destination isn't clear, money won't stay on course. Closed lock with key. Lock 2. Vehicle lock, 1 primary asset class, 1 growth vehicle, 1 core strategy, depth beats diversity early. Closed lock with key. Lock 3. Discipline lock, consistency, patience, delayed gratification, direction without discipline breaks. Medium White Star Section 4. How to activate your direction lock. Keycap 1. Choose 1 wealth destination. Keycap 2. Select 1 primary investment vehicle. Keycap 3. Eliminate distractions. Keycap 4. Commit for defined period. Keycap 5. Review progress. Quarterly locked direction builds momentum. Medium White Star Section 5. Signs your direction is locked. White heavy checkmark. Reduced confusion. White heavy checkmark. Stable progress. White heavy checkmark. Compounding growth. White heavy checkmark. Fewer mistakes. White heavy checkmark. Calm confidence. Bullseye. Conclusion. Money does not reward movement. Fire it rewards direction. Lock your path with the Wealth Direction Lock, and wealth will finally compounds.